Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing some drumroll crunchy slime and some regular slime. So if you guys want, you guys can go subscribe down below, or you guys can be notified every time I post a video. If you want to be notified every time I post a video, go hit that notification button. Enough for the chit chat, let's get on with the video. Okay, so what we're going to be making first is the crunchy slime. So for the crunchy slime, we're going to be needing some Elmer's glue, some activator. I'm going to be using Tide today. And then some cut up straws. All I did, I just cut up some straws in some small pieces for the crunchies. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add the glue first. Okay, that's enough. Then you're going to close it. And next, so my activator doesn't activate very fast, but if you get the activator like tie still, but the case is blue, it will activate it faster. It's going to go like this. So it does not activate it fast. Then you guys are going to keep on mixing until it works. It might look like this at first, very disgusting. And then it's going to get to its senses, then turn into normal slime. But you might have to wait a little bit till it actually comes. It looks very disgusting, I know. Like, it looks very disgusting, but if it doesn't last long, like, if it's really sticky, and it doesn't, like, no, if you added too much activator, then, oh no, it's too much activator, I don't know what to do. Just add a little bit of cream, then that should actually fix it. But if it's really sticky, like mine right now, but if it's really sticky, like at first you should actually try to get out the little bubbles and everything. But if you're making it with clear slime, if you actually want it to be clear, you play with it and you notice that there's going to be air bubbles. For the air bubbles, all you guys can do, you can just leave it out for 3 to 4 days, and then 2 to 4 days, or 3 to 4 days, and then it should actually be better. And then when you look at it, like, it's going to be very clear. And then once you're done, which I'm not right now, but once you're done, you should actually keep on blending it. You can have fun while it's like non-crunchy, but we're going to be crunchy soon. And then mine is a little bit still sticky, so I can add just a little more Tide. So I don't want to add too much. If you add too much, it'll turn rubbery. And you don't want that, because if it turns rubbery, no like stretchiness, then when it stretches, it'll go like this. It'll be very sad. But then if you add cream, and if that happens to you, add cream, it should be very good. So mine is ready. I'm just going to have to blend it a little bit. Okay. So, and then I'm just going to clean up my setting table with a little tissue. I'll do it very fast, so you guys don't have to wait too long. Because I just don't want Tide on my setting table, so it doesn't turn my slime bad. And then once you're done that, you're just going to play with your slime. I'm going to try to get this tissue off. So you're going to play with your slime. And then you can have some ASMR. I'm going to do some ASMR with this slime right now. Okay, so I'm going to do a nice swirl. Come close. Okay, hear that cracking noises, I mean? Like that? Yeah, I know. But once we do the crunchiness of actually the slime, it should do a really good sound. So, and then you're gonna add your straws. Oh, the straws are already sticking to me. And then once you add your straws, you're gonna put them there. If you guys don't want to do that and make a big mess for your parents to clean up, all you can do is this. Put it inside, then set it inside of there. To make a very crunchy slime sound. And then if you guys do not like when you squish it, your hands start hurting, you guys could also use some beads. They'll be better on your hands. But I just use straw just for a different day. And near November, I'm probably going to be doing another show, a slime video. And soon I'll be doing Starburst edible slime. So you guys should go check that out when it comes out. And then, but let's stop talking about that, and then let's start talking about our crunchy slime. So I did not make enough straws for it to be like full of straws, but come close. Like this. And not be doing anything, but you can all still do the swirl with it. And then in the middle of the swirl, you're gonna see straws. See? You can see straws. Then you just go like this. Doesn't it make a big of a crunchy sound? Yeah? Feels nice. Okay. So that's done. We'll put this to the side. And then put the straws to the side and everything. And sorry, excuse me. And now I'm just gonna, since my plate is very dirty, I'm just gonna take out all of it. That's disgusting, but it's okay. Then since that is done, I'm gonna just make the normal slime. And for your normal slime, all you're gonna add is some glue. So that was a little too much, but it's okay. And then for the glue, now you're gonna add some detergent. Not too much. I'm going to be adding a lot, as you guys can see, because I told you guys before, the activator does not activate very fast. So I'm just trying to make it quick for you guys, and then just add a lot. And then it might be a little bit like that, but you still have to blend it in. Take it. Sorry to remove that for you guys. Then you're going to blend it in. It might be a little sticky, maybe get that dirty, but it's okay. Sprinkle that on there. Then you can wait. Then soon it'll be good. Just blend it well. But try not to make a big mess, because then your parents are going to have to clean it up if you're my age. But it's okay. Today I'll be cleaning this up, hopefully. And then you're just going to start blending it. Like I said, do not add a lot or else it'll be very stiff. So I think that's enough for me. But I'm just going to blend it in. It looks very disgusting right now. Like, I can be like you guys. Very disgusting. So, once you're done, which I'm not, once you're done, all you can do is then you can just start blending it, ASMR, do whatever you guys want. But mine is done. I just have to make sure the little balls in there, like the big chunks of glue, are gone. Then I think that's a little bit, just a little bit, it's ready. So now you guys can do some ASMR, just like this. Oops. That's kind of fun. And then you can go like this if you want to do a nice swirl. Like that. Oops. Okay. So, just the final crunch. Very nice, very nice. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like I said, and hit that notification button. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye!